Edelweiss Financial Services demerged, and we got another entity called Nuvama Wealth Management out of it after diversification. After the diversification, company gave one share to each 94 shareholders of Edelweiss Financial Services. And to say you, even I am holding a bit of share of Edelweiss Services. The quantity what I have got, you can check in my video what I have uploaded previously. Why do I today hold it? To explain you the in-depth of Edelweiss Services and how much the benefits we might get out of this after the listing of Nuvama, I will be explaining you in this video. At first, in March, shareholding, if you see any of the sites, look into the sites that the promoters are holding still 32.62 in Edelweiss. Mutual funds are 0.07% and D2 is 2.62%. Others are F2, or 32.21%. If you see the retail shareholding in this 32.48, there are some renowned names holding a big chunk, big quantity of Edelweiss services, Edelweiss Financial Services. So to conclude this, if I say you let's discuss that if you get a 94, the first day itself when it was diversified from Edelweiss Services on the 5th of May, I believe, if I can see the chart in front of you, this is the split candle which was formed on 29th. This is a weekly candle. You can see here weekly candle. It's exactly in this week itself. 2nd of June it was splitted. It was diversified, and the shares were later it was uploaded to us. Shares were given later. So if you see the chart, to discuss the chart, how much see anyhow to explain you, Nuvama after the listing it fell the day it was diversified. 26 points it fell from the high. So it was a shock for me as well when it fell, and I was wondering how many quantities I'll be getting, and what will the Nuvama Wealth Management stock listing price will be. So what happened a few days after I see my demat was uploaded with the quantity what I was holding Edelweiss Financial Services as well as the Nuvama. What I discussed before that, you can check the video. I have uploaded it before. If you see this, so what is the outcome of Edelweiss Services? To explain in this video itself, I will say you that the interest rate hike or reduction from the RBI will be a big benefit for the NBFCs. I am repeating this, once the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, starts reducing the interest rate, it will be a big benefit for all the financial services, NBFCs. So we will discuss this in another video, why it will be beneficial. Okay, let's discuss the chart of this, how much of when can we expect this to move. So the day it was splitted, if you see here, it was the day it was diversified, it was not splitted. See the below, it was in 4th 2020. Just increase the brightness. I think the brightness is below of this. Let's see. Okay. So if you see here that this was 24 2014, as well as this is again on 18 5 May 2014. Again it was in 29 5 2013, or you can say June 2 was the date when it hit the low at 35. So after that it went up 5%. So it was in circuit. If you see, I'll just open the day chart of this. If you can see here, day chart of this, if you see here, it is 37.05, and there it was upper circuit and all. You can see here the upper circuits. So there are few gaps here. If you can see the few gaps here, so probably I feel that all the good stocks, they fill up the gap before moving or rising up. So if you see here 36.5, it might test again, it may test again, it may test again 37.37. So probably if you see here, if I go back to the weekly level here, so if you see the weekly level, it might take another few months to resettle to this 77 level or your 73 level. So once it breaks 73 and goes up for the 200 moving average, so probably you can see the new highs. So my expectation is Nuvama will be listed, as we say, this is the 26 points gap down it was when it was diversified. You say, like, if it is 2,500 Nuvama, or if you take it as 2,000, if it is 20 rupees, not Nuvama won't be listed, that is 2,000 rupees of each share, we won't be benefited. The shareholders, whoever are holding, definitely they won't be benefited. To understand, even the promoters, even others also, they will be getting the Nuvama shares as well. So probably the listing will be good. If we get the 20 rupees out of Nuvama, so we got our price back. Okay. Once it goes up from the 37 level to 77, another 20-30,000 profit. So guys, I will my learning out of this is from the chart. I can say you this may test at 37 level again, and have patience. I believe you need to have patience before it rises up. If any queries you have on this chart reading and all, I'll be explaining you. Any stock you get, you have difficulty, in learning. I can say you the base it has formed. If you see the base it has formed in 37 level, and again it will be, I believe, the base of all time. So guys, please have patience. I think we will get back the price again with the benefits from Nuvama as well. So according to the management, Nuvama will be listed in this month, that is July end or the August first week. So we'll hope for the best. The listing should be good for the benefit of all the people. Thank you.